Hi Crafty Friends, I'm Sylvia. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day today. Welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. Today we're going to do a unboxing from Uniquely Yours Down Under. It was my birthday a couple of weeks ago, and my brother actually got me two paintings from there, but today we're just going to do one. And I also used Christopher Colasso. I think it was 10% using his discount, so which was great. That came in handy. Thank you, Christopher. Okay, so it's by Josephine Wall, and Josephine Wall is a popular English fantasy artist and sculptor. Okay, so let's see. It came in a white box, and I just basically put it aside, and I wanted to take it out before I showed it to you guys to make sure it's nice and straight. And it's a very it's soft lint, the canvas. Okay, so Uniquely Yours Down Under, they sell diamond paintings, they sell pens, they sell drills if you need any, journals, accessories, cards, stickers, trays, I believe light pads also, little vacuums to pick up your drills, keychains, stickers, a little bit of everything, which is nice. Okay, so let's turn this baby around. It's beautiful, guys. Okay, so it's called Heart and Soul by Josephine Wall, and it's a 60 by 80 centimeters, and I picked the one that had a couple of ABs. Okay, just gonna bring her up slowly. I will show you a picture of her at the end. Well, I'll put it out there. Okay, first just let's take a very quick look at her. She's gorgeous. Let's see, this is my first time with this company using this, trying this out. It's very sticky, which is very nice. It's very clear. Okay. This one has 45 colors. Let me bring it up. Okay, and it has a legend at the bottom on the left hand side. It's so big. And also has a legend on the right hand side, and it also has a picture. And it tells you how many colors, which is 45. It tells you the symbols that are in the canvas and the color code. And I'm looking for the ABs, and I think the ABs are the R's. So it looks like there's 3 ABs, which is the plus symbol, the equal symbol, and I have no idea what that one is called. But anyway, looks like pi, maybe? I don't know. Okay, so it's licensed art. This one I selected. You have the options, guys, when you buy from them. So the option was if you want it with AB or not, and of course I want it with ABs. You could pick the option also for size. Okay, so this one is a 60 by 80, but they also have it in 75 by 100, and they also have it 90 by 120 centimeters, which is huge. You can also select the diamond shape. They have round with guide circles, or round without the guide circles, or square. Okay, and they also have the quality canvas, which is you could pick just a regular canvas or soft lint. Since this is my first time, I'm not sure what I was ordering, so I ordered the soft lint. The glue surface, you can either order the double-sided adhesive or the poured glue. Of course, I picked the poured glue. And you could also pick the diamond type. So they have acrylic drills, or canvas with AB drills, or the soft lint with AB drills, or just round crystal drills. So it would be all crystals. And you also have the option of the toolkit. So you could actually just have the basic, no charge. And there's a premium tool, and there's an acrylic pen only, or none of the above. Okay, so she's gorgeous. Let's talk a little bit what we see here. So we see this beautiful young girl. She looks like a young girl, and it looks like she's just looking up at the sky, right? And around her also there's butterflies here, but over here it's like a blue and white sky. And this looks like it's green. I don't have no idea, but she's looking up at the sky, and it looks like she's wondering. And on top of her head, guys, there's a butterfly. It's like butterfly wings on top of her head. So is she a butterfly fairy? I have no idea, because there's like fluttering butterflies all over her head. And then over her arm, over here, there's a lion, a lion's head, which is pretty cool. And could she be a magical fairy? I have no idea. And maybe she only comes out at night because it's nighttime. And then over here, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a figure. And it's a young girl walking with a lion. But you can't, I don't know if you can see that. But you'll see it in the picture. And then over here, guys, I believe, let me see, let me look at the picture again. Yeah, there's a river, okay, and mountains. It's like a valley. And I don't think you can see it here that well. But when I look at this painting, it's just very peaceful. I love it. When I saw it, I told my brother, this is the one that I want. It's just very peaceful. And then of course these beautiful, beautiful pink flowers all around here at the bottom. Just magical. That's how I would describe it. Peaceful and magical. Okay. And it came with, of course, the adhesive. So you would have to cut these out, and you can cut them out and put them in the container. And that's the picture again. It's called Heart and Soul. Josephine Wall, 60 by 80 centimeters, AB. All right, so let's put her over here. Came with it. I ordered the toolkit. I have no idea why, because I have so many, but I don't know. I just figured it's my first time. But what I did like is that the tweezers, it's not a straight tweezer. See that? It's a turn. So it's like an angle. So I actually haven't tried these. And it comes with a tray, the pen, wax, and some placers. And these are the drills. And it comes also with another paper in here. So it's a lot of drills, guys. What we said, how many colors again? 45 colors. So let me open this up and see if we can take some of these colors out so we can see them. Okay, guys, there's just too many colors, but it looks like the colors are warm and earthy. So you've got lots of blues. Look at this big bag of $9.39. So we've got lots of different kinds of blues here. Just very pretty, which I love blues. And then you've got a section here of greens. Okay, and then you have a couple of grays. And I love all these colors of green. It's just beautiful. And then you have reds over here. And then a couple of purple. And lots of yellows and browns. So you got blues, greens, just 2 bags of gray, lots of brown, lots of yellows, and that's it, guys. Those are the colors. Now I separated the ABs. So you got a 740, which is like an orange glittery, not too many. And this is a really pretty one, 820. They look like fish scales on a mermaid. And then you have another blue one, 798. So we're gonna find out where they belong in the painting, or we will try. Okay. Okay, so the 740 is like an orange, and it's the plus sign. So it looks like it's scattered, because you have some here, you have some up here on the butterfly wings, some over here on her, sort of looks like a veil. She's wearing a long veil. It's basically everywhere, the orange, okay? And then you have this one, which is 790, and this is the equal sign. And you have some over here on the sky, and a lot on her wings, okay? Butterfly wings. And this one is, I have no idea what sign that is, but this one looks like it's on the river, which is like around here, also on the sky. It's a little bit everywhere too. Where else did I see it? There's some down here. I think that's part of her butterfly wing. And it's stunning, guys. This is going to look absolutely gorgeous. And if you feel like you don't have enough bling, you could always add more bling, maybe on some of her, on the butterflies. What else? And of course, I don't know if you can tell, but this is a lioness. This is a lion, and this looks like a lioness. And that's about it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it, and go check them out. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye.